Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can paste music sheets onto any piano on Roblox. So just sit here, and then there will be either this or if you're in another game, it's probably just like paste music sheets here. You're just going to go to Google and you're going to find Roblox sheet piano. And then use any website that you'd like to use, and then select the song that you want. For instance, songs from games. Let's do this Tetris theme. So it doesn't have any transposition, so make sure your transposition is at 0. Copy the music note, paste it here. So right now the transposition is at 0, but you can change it if the music sheet will require you to change it. This means you play it together, and this means you play one note. So, oh my gosh, I accidentally pressed it. Okay, make sure you press on the piano. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Okay, I'm not gonna play it because it's so difficult, but you'll also see the level of difficulty up here. It's intermediate. It's not super hard, but it's not the easiest as well. But there's just a lot of options you can choose from, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.